Welcome to my CoinGate crypto payment app review. Find product links below. This video covers key features, who it's for, and how it handles crypto payments. CoinGate simplifies crypto transactions for businesses and individuals. It's perfect for anyone wanting to pay or accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and 50+ other altcoins. Its standout merchant services let businesses accept crypto while settling in local currency, minimizing volatility risk. This is invaluable for small businesses and online merchants entering the crypto market. CoinGate provides a user-friendly wallet to manage crypto payments and transfers. Supporting a wide range of cryptocurrencies, it's versatile for holding and spending various coins. The built-in payment gateway lets you pay for goods and services directly with crypto, creating a seamless experience. CoinGate integrates easily with Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento, ideal for online merchants. The CoinGate prepaid card lets you spend crypto at millions of locations globally like a regular debit card, bridging the gap between crypto and traditional finance. CoinGate is a solid crypto payment app for both individuals and businesses. Its multi-coin support, merchant services, and prepaid card make it powerful for anyone using or accepting crypto. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast, business owner, or want easier crypto use, CoinGate offers an efficient and reliable solution.